Hi, both guys. The things that we get ourselves into while we are still young. Yes, I was thinking about Utando and I'm thinking about how Usiatela just goes around sleeping around you guys according to like what he was saying by the last episode without using protection, and he doesn't even see anything wrong with that. He's saying it proudly, like he says it proudly, and I'm just thinking, Tando, I am truly like afraid and concerned for Tando's health at this point, because I'm just like Usiatela, like the way he doesn't care about anything, the way he doesn't respect Utando, he doesn't respect himself. I'm just like, ndlela abantu bagula ngakhona la ngaphandle, guys. Like, you can't afford to be living a lifestyle like that. Utando nje, I just feel like she turned out to be like a different type of woman that we all envisioned her to be. If you remember, you guys, why am I saying Utando Nesimp? When Isengane Lengane was kind of the previous seasons, we all had like hopes in Tando that, she'd have a bright future, she'd go to school and all of those things. Like you could see, but she had dreams. Now at this point, all Utando does is just fight with Usiatela. That's basically what she does. And fight with people over Usiatela. Pela, even on the last episode, guys, like indaba yokuthi Utando calls Siyaxela's girlfriends and threatens them came out. And I'm like, Tando, like, lo manje, like, this is you, like, fighting girls. Was she not fighting that Umanto, is her name Manto or Mato, Siyaxela's girlfriend from Durban? Was she not fighting her for Usiaxela? And then on the previous episode, Utando number 2 was basically saying that the reason she broke up with Siyaxela is because Utando number 1, the wife, kept on calling her. And when she'd call her, she'd tell her like to leave her husband alone. And I'm just thinking to myself, the moment a woman gets to a point where she's calling her husband's girlfriends or the girlfriends of her partner and fighting with the girlfriends, like, then you must know, would you truly she has lost herself? No, truly. Because those women do not owe you any explanation. They do not owe you anything. The person you must fight with is Usiaxela. But at this point, uSiyaxela umhlulile uThando. Like Thando, there's nothing she can tell Siyaxela at this point. And the way everyone has just washed their hands when it comes to Thando, including the whole South Africa, you guys, there's no one on Thando's side. Angithi Thando went to uSiyaxela and basically bad-mouthed everyone to Siyaxela. So Siyaxela tells, he knows how to tell everyone how to get off. So there's no one on Thando's corner. But I'm just like, the way I'm so concerned for Utando, if she doesn't put herself first, I really am afraid for her health, you guys, because at this rate that Usiyaxela is going at, like, he really thinks that he's untouchable, that no one can say and do anything. No one can even kuza Usiyaxela, guys. No one can rebuke or correct Usiyaxela. No one. No one. And I'm just like, you know what, Siyaxela, this is life. And one thing about life, if uzozenza isikora, if you're gonna act like you're a big shot in life, life is gonna humble you and it's gonna show you flames. And I just really hope that Utando is just not gonna find herself in a compromising space in terms of her health just because she decided to be faithful to a guy who really does not even care about her health or even his child like that. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.